Bump this. There you go. Other way. This way. Towards me. Easy. Actually, you can take that off. Okay. You pour it in there nice and gently. Let's see what we get. Looks good. Looks refreshingly good. Okay, how we doing here? What do you think?
When do I stop?
Alright, about a little bit higher because I got that lip on there. So we'll put it all the way up to the lip. Okay. Alright, stop. Alright, put the thing down. Now, let's take it. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Careful, don't cut yourself on the top part. I left that off so it wouldn't leak. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Do you want me to put it in the oven or do you want to put it in the oven?
I guess I will.
Okay, let me get the oven door for you. Okay. We're getting the oven. Let's get this right there. Now, you got to be very careful. Everything's extremely hot, and make sure you don't wait to it.
Yeah.
All right, set it down. Here, just give it to me. Here, just give it.